This is Trade with Ashkan. I'm trying to show you the first position on my Monday. As you can see, this is the chart of E-mini Nasdaq. It's the first day of the new week, 5th of May. And so we hit the FVG 1 hour. This is the big FVG, the big blue part that you can see here is the 1 hour FVG. Let me show you. And then the smaller one on the upper side is this is the FVG 1 hour that we hit, and then we have the 50 minutes FVG that we have here. So as I saw some signs of changing the move toward the 50 minutes FVG, I opened the buy position, but very simple, one contract. We are not trying to make anything so shiny and big. Everything is as simple as possible. So as you can see, my chart is very simple, 2 FVGs, one contract, and we are trying to open the position here, okay, to follow the position toward the 15 minutes FVG. I'm showing you different time frames: 1 hour, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, and then I'll show you the 1 minute chart as well. So I think we get this position pretty quickly. This is the London session. I try to trade during different sessions, but London is something that I like a lot because it suits me. It's kind of the best time to trade for me because it's my morning. It's good, but I think the best time for E-mini Nasdaq is, of course, new week session after 9:30. As ICT himself always try to do trading during new week session because he lives in the US. I'm not. That's why I try to open my positions during London session. Okay, so this is where I put my TP, the smaller part, basically the lowest part of the FVG 15 minutes. Okay, and this is for me an account on a prop firm, and this is it's just a simple scalp, nothing that big. As you can see, the profit is not going to be very large and big. I think it's around, as you can see, the difference between prices is 20 ticks, so around 400 USD dollars as profit. Okay, very small TP, a very small profit for the first day, and this is my first video. All right, so of the week, I'm definitely I will show you better and bigger positions in other times. So we're trying to be patient here. I think we hit the target, the TP, very fast. But something that helps me a lot is to be patient. All right, be patient. I believe in ICT. I think Michael on ICT is, he's the king. He inspired me a lot. I learned a lot from him. I tried different styles, different methodologies, different techniques, but something that resonated with me a lot is ICT. Okay, ICT. I think ICT. If you learn ICT is very simple. All right, the concept, as you can see, my chart is just 2 FVGs, right, and then just one simple trend. Okay, I'm not using any indicators. I'm not using any form of weird shapes and indicators on my chart. It's just two FVGs. I'm looking at liquidity. Okay, I think ICT changed trading a lot for a lot of people, including me. All right, so I'm always thankful for his free teachings, all these slides, all the long videos that he recorded for us. So if you have questions, I'm not going to explain his concepts. If you need to know, you have to check his YouTube channel. Everything is free and perfect. Okay, much better explanation than anyone else on YouTube. All right. Okay, let's see what's happening here. 1 minute time frame. We are getting closer and closer to the basically FVG 15 minutes. First we hit the FVG 1 hour. As you can see, a bit of change in the structure, and then we get probably to hit the FVG 15 minutes, and I think after that it's gonna be another move to the downside. All right, but let's see what's happening. Okay. So in 1 minute, as you can see, we have basically some FVGs, and here it tries to capture some of them and then continue its move toward the 50 minutes FVG. All right. As I mentioned, this is a simple, very simple position for me. Even I can open another contract here, all right, to make it a bit bigger. All right. So here is my second position, right, to make the profit a bit bigger. So let me change the TP as well. You probably notice a bit of lag in my screen. It's because I'm recording my screen, and the software I'm using, it's making this kind of lags a bit. I think the CPU is under a lot of pressure. All right, so let's see what's going on. I opened the second position as well, and change the TP as well for the lowest part of the 50 minutes FVG. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Let's see what happens. This is a very normal move, as I mentioned. There are some FVG in 1 minute time frame, so it tries to capture them and then continue the move toward the 50 minutes FVG. All right. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I try to show you one or two positions every day. Maybe not every day, but probably 2-3 times a week. All right, especially when we have like something serious during different sessions. London session, New York session, but as I mentioned, London session is much better for me, so I try to keep up my recording videos during London sessions. And I'm not trending anything else, just E-mini Nasdaq, all right? As I don't believe in other market. This is the easiest. I don't believe in other symbols, and I don't believe in other basically markets. I don't trade cryptocurrency, for example. Well, Michael is my mentor, right? I consider Michael as my mentor. He's the best. And so my focus is only on E-mini Nasdaq, all right? I usually trade just one contract, and here it's just like, I don't know, I like to open another contract and make it like 2 contracts here, but nothing that big here. It's just a small scalp. The profit will be around 500-600, but it's not basically, it's not something to ignore. 500 is a lot for a lot of people. $500 can change a lot of things in your daily and monthly life, right? As always, Michael mentions, you can, use it for your groceries, for your, gas, for your anything else, for electricity bills, right? So here is our TP hit. So that's the end of the video for me for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me. I will show you other positions in the future for sure. Thank you for watching, and take care.